Let's create a beautiful paper butterfly using a bright square paper. Step 1. Fold the paper in half diagonally both ways to create an X crease. Step 2. Fold the paper horizontally and vertically once to add new creases. Step 3. Collapse the paper into a triangle shape. Bring the folds together carefully to form a perfect triangle base for the butterfly. Step 4. Fold the top corners down to the center of the triangle. Step 5. Flip the paper and fold upward to form the butterfly's wings. Step 6. Gently curve the wings using your fingers. This gives the butterfly a natural, lively look ready to flutter. Your paper butterfly is complete. Watch it flutter gently as if flying, bringing your origami to life. Try making your own colorful paper butterflies and enjoy origami fun.